Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview GLB Algimycin 2000. What is GLB Algimycin 2000? GLB Algimycin 2000 is comprised of a multi-component blend that controls all types of swimming pool algae, including black, green, mustard, and yellow. It is easier to prevent algae growth than to destroy established algae. When this product is used weekly, it prevents algae outbreaks. It has a special wetting agent that penetrates and kills even deeply rooted algae, and a unique clarifier and filter aid that removes dead and living algae fast with concentrated coagulants. Product benefits: controls all types of swimming pool algae, including black, green, mustard, and yellow. Compatible with chlorine, bromine, ozone, saltwater pools, and biguanide sanitizers. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.